Hello students, welcome back to English literature classes. Today our topic is what are Bacon's view on studies. Okay, of studies by Francis Bacon. Okay, so we would know about the importance of the study written by Francis Bacon. ओके स्टूडेंट, आज हम जानेंगे फ्रांसिस बेकन के एसे ऑफ स्टडी के बारे में. ओके, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम वी शुड स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो ऑन दिस टॉपिक. ओके, so this is the critical appreciation of Bacon's view on study. Okay, of study is one of the Bacon's representative essay. Okay, under influence of the Renaissance, the people of the Elizabethan age took great interest in studies. Bacon's famous essay of studies brings to light the great importance of study in human life. Okay, ऑफ स्टडी बेकन का एक प्रतिनिधित्व निबंध है. ये इसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं ऑफ स्टडी को. वन ऑफ द बेकन का जो ये रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऐसे है. एंड अंडर इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द रिनेसेंस ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ द एलिजाबेथन एज. रिनेसा ने एलिजाबेथन काल के लोगों को इतना अधिक प्रभावित किया कि अध्ययन करना उनके जीवन का आवश्यक अंग हो गया. ओके, लोग असीमित ज्ञान प्राप्त करना चाहते थे, अतः लोगों ने पता है क्या किया, मोटी मोटी पुस्तकें पढ़ने के स्थान पर कुछ छोटे छोटे उपाय अपनाने शुरू कर दिए और मात्र टिप्पणियां अर्थात प्रमुख अंशों का अध्ययन करके ही संतुष्ट होने की आदत बना ली, मतलब शॉर्ट वे. ओके, लेखक के अनुसार छोटे उपाय से अध्ययन केवल महत्वहीन पुस्तकों के लिए ही उचित है. अगर आप छोटे उपाय से स्टडी करना चाहते हैं तो केवल ऐसी पुस्तकें पढ़ें जो कि ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. ओके स्टूडेंट, द रेनेसांस इन्फ्लुएंस द पीपल ऑफ द एलिजाबेथन एज सो greatly the studies become an essential part of their daily life. In order to attain limitless knowledge, so many of them began to adopt shortcut methods of reading books. Okay, जो कुछ स्टूडेंट ऐसे होते हैं जो शॉर्टकट मेथड अपनाते हैं बुक को रीड करने के लिए. ओके, बट इट्स रॉन्ग. इन प्लेस ऑफ रीडिंग bulky books, they like to know about books by using notes or extracts made from them by others. Bacon point out objects and proper ways of study in the present essay. According to him, the shortcut method should be used to study unimportant books only. Okay, we should be used to study unimportant books only. जो unimportant books हैं केवल उन्हीं बुक्स को पढ़ने के लिए हमें एक शॉर्टकट मेथड अपनाना चाहिए. अदरवाइज जो इम्पोर्टेंस बुक्स हैं उनको स्टडी के लिए कभी भी हमें शॉर्टकट मेथड नहीं अपनाना चाहिए. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, बेकन इस विचार पर विश्वास नहीं करता है कि अध्ययन का एकमात्र उद्देश्य केवल ज्ञानवर्धन है. बेकन claims that study serve not only the single purpose, it's not only the single purpose of the increasing knowledge, but also contribute to delight, to improve ability, to make our expression impressive. Okay, बेकन इस विचार पर विश्वास नहीं करता है कि अध्ययन का एकमात्र उद्देश्य केवल ज्ञानवर्धन है. उसका विचार है कि अध्ययन आनंद, प्रभावशीलता एवं कार्य करने की क्षमता के विकास में सहायक होता है. ओके, वह अत्यधिक अध्ययन के विरुद्ध चेतावनी भी देता है. He warns against the excessive use of the study in practical life. Okay, for the importance of the natural ability and practical experience cannot be ignored. वह स्वाभाविक क्षमताओं एवं व्यावहारिक अनुभव को भी महत्व देता है. यह निबंध लेखक की त्वरित बुद्धि एवं विचारों की सघनता को उजागर करता है. इस निबंध में वह अनेक उन विचारों को प्रस्तुत करता है जिनको उसने विस्तार पूर्वक अपने ग्रंथ द एडवांसमेंट ऑफ लर्निंग में प्रस्तुत किया था. यह बेकन की व्यापक शैली है कि वह अध्ययन के उपचार संबंधी महत्व पर प्रकाश डालने के साथ अध्ययन की जो कमियां होती है ना, उन कमियों की भी उसने चर्चा की है. ओके. He warns against the excessive use of studies in practical life for importance of natural abilities and practical experience cannot be ignored. Okay. This essay brings to light Bacon's good sense, wit and condensation of thought. It consists of those thoughts and ideas which Bacon has discussed in his great work. The advancement of learning. It is Bacon's comprehensive approach to the subject that he points out the medical value as well as the disadvantages of the studies. वह अध्ययन के उपचार संबंधी महत्व पर प्रकाश डालने के साथ अध्ययन की जो कमियां होती हैं, he says about the disadvantages of the studies. तो स्टडीज की जो कमियां होती हैं उन पर भी चर्चा की है. ओके. So there are some points of Bacon's view on study. Number 1, 3 purpose of studies. Number 2, faith in golden mean. And third, positive or creative purpose of studies. Number 4, a plea for comprehensive studies. Number 5 है direct effect of studies. And number 6, medical value of studies. Okay. So number 1 आपका आता है 3 purpose of studies. According to Bacon, studies serve 3 purpose of great importance. Bacon studies serve 3 purpose of great importance. They provide delight by making us able to read books of entertainment. They make our speech effective by filling our mind with novel ideas and improving our way to expressing things. Besides, study improve our skill and ability to work well. When we are alone or taking rest and have no friend to talk with or partners to play with, it becomes difficult to pass time. At this time, we may read an interesting book and utilize our time. When we are involved in conversation or discussion, studies help us by filling our speech with novel ideas and improving our expression. When we have to decide or manage things, studies guide us. Okay? Bacon point out difference in an experienced man and trained man. The experienced man can do well in special parts but fails in details and management of a large business. If a thing is to be done at large scale, only trained person should be employed. Being a comprehensive essayist, Bacon point out disadvantages of the improper studies. Okay. Second point है आपका faith in golden mean. Bacon believe in the golden mean. He points out the excess of everything is bad. If too much study is made for delight, the reader develops idleness. If too much display of knowledge is made for ornamentations, the speech suffer from artificiality. If all decisions are taken being guided by books, no success in practical life is possible. Okay, according to Bacon, natural talent is like a plant. Studies mature it and practical experience make it perfect. Okay. Next point, the positive or creative purpose of study. According to Bacon, study should never be made with a negative object of contradicting of or challenging other people's opinion. Okay, it is unwise to accept whatever is present in books. Okay, it is wise to judge the value of that. Bacon warns against following any bookish through blindly. Certainly our books are not of great quality. Okay, we should judge books according to their greatness. Next है आपका a plea for comprehensive study. Bacon wants his countrymen not to think that perfect knowledge may be attained only by reading. Okay. Next, direct effect of studies. According to Bacon, studies have a direct effect on our mind and can remove weakness of reader's mind. History is not only record of incident but guide. Book also it tells the causes of the success and failure of various kings. Okay, a close study of that gives wisdom. Next, medical value of study. Bacon pleads that studies may serve as medical treatment. According to Bacon, studies have a direct effect on our mind and can remove weakness of reader's mind. For example, mathematics can be useful for the person who suffers from the carelessness, for he fails in concentrating his mind on anything. Mathematics introduce various problems to be solved with the help of a only few set of formulas. Okay, it develops ability of understanding a problem and concentrating on it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Next topic होगा हमारा critical appreciation, recollection of childhood. Thank you.